Welcome to episode 4 of your English grammar course. In this lesson, we will explore the world of colors and learn how to describe everyday objects around us. This is an essential skill for building simple yet meaningful sentences in English. By the end of this episode, you'll be confident in naming colors, identifying common objects, and combining them into descriptive sentences. Let's get started. Part 1, Introduction to Colors. Colors are a big part of how we describe the world. They help us identify and distinguish objects and make conversations more vivid and precise. Here are the 10 most common colors in English that we'll be focusing on today: red, blue, yellow, green, black, white, orange, purple, pink, brown. Practice exercise. To help you learn these colors, let's start by repeating them together. Say them out loud: red, blue, yellow, green, black, white, orange, purple, pink, brown. Good job. Repeating words is a fantastic way to improve your pronunciation and memory. Using colors in sentences. Once you're comfortable naming the colors, the next step is to use them in sentences. Here are some examples. 1. The apple is red. 2. The sky is blue. 3. Her bag is pink. Notice how the color words describe the objects. The structure is simple. The object is color. Now it's your turn. Pick a color and an object you see around you and make a sentence. For example, if you see a yellow flower, you can say, "The flower is yellow." Part 2, Shades and Descriptions. Did you know that colors can have different shades? For example, blue isn't always just blue. It can be light blue, dark blue, or even bright blue. Adding these descriptive words before colors helps you paint a clearer picture in your sentences. Here are some common shades. Light, light blue, light green, light pink, dark green, dark brown, dark purple. Bright, bright yellow, bright orange. Using shades in sentences, let's see how to use these shades in sentences. 1. The car is light blue. 2. The forest is dark green. 3. The sun is bright yellow. Now you try. Look around your surroundings and describe something using shades of colors. For example, if you see a tree, you could say, "The tree is dark green." Practice tip. Think of your favorite colors and try adding light, dark, or bright to them. Practice saying these combinations out loud to get used to using shades naturally in your sentences. Part 3, Common Objects. Now that we've learned colors, let's move on to common objects. These are the things you see around you every day. Knowing their names will help you describe your environment in English. Here are some examples of common objects: chair, table, bag, book, pen, phone, window, door. Practice exercise. Repeat after me to practice pronunciation: chair, table, bag, book, pen, phone, window, door. Great. Once you're comfortable saying these words, try looking around you and identifying these objects in your environment. Combining colors with objects. Now let's put together what we've learned. Colors and objects. When you combine a color and an object, you can create simple yet descriptive sentences. For example, 1. The chair is black. 2. The book is green. 3. The door is white. The formula is the same. The object is color. Try it yourself. Choose any object near you, think about its color, and make a sentence. For instance, if you see a red bag, you can say, "The bag is red." Part 4, Practice exercise. Let's test your understanding with a quick practice exercise. I'll give you a color and an object, and you create a sentence. 1. Red bag. Your sentence could be, "The bag is red." 2. Green door. Possible sentence, "The door is green." 3. Yellow book. Example, "The book is yellow." Did you get it? Keep practicing until forming these sentences feels natural. Repetition is the key to mastering English. Real-life use. Colors and objects are a big part of everyday conversations. Knowing how to describe them can help you in real-life situations. Let's look at some examples. Shopping. When shopping for clothes or other items, you often describe colors to specify what you want. For example, "I want the blue shirt." Giving directions. Colors can also help you give or understand directions. For example, "Turn at the red building." Describing objects. When talking about things around you, colors add detail and make your descriptions clearer. For example, "Her phone is black." Practice tip. Think about your daily activities and how you can use colors to describe things. For instance, when you're packing your bag or organizing your room, try naming the colors of the objects you're handling. To reinforce what you've learned, here's a challenge for you to complete this week. 1. Find 10 objects around you and describe their colors in English. Example, the pillow is white. The cup is blue. 2. Write 5 sentences combining a color and an object. Example, the bag is black. The shoes are brown. 3. Practice speaking about objects in your room or bag in English. Example, look at the objects in your bag and say the notebook is red. The pen is blue. The phone is white. By completing this challenge, you'll build confidence in describing your environment in English. What's next? In our next episode, we'll dive into the topic of family members and relationships, a key part of conversations in English. This will help you introduce yourself and talk about the people in your life. Until then, keep practicing colors and objects, and remember, practice makes perfect. See you next time.